a beautiful morning. Have a nice day. Thank you, Mom.
Enjoy your walk.
I will, Dad. Ha ha ha.
The weather is perfect.
Everything looks so peaceful. The birds sound so happy. I love this park. What was that sound? I heard a puppy. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Don't be afraid. Come here, Max. Near me. It's okay. I won't hurt you. Good job, Max. You're very cute. Oh, buddy, you are really muddy. We need to get you cleaned up right away. Don't worry, I'll help you. Where is your family? Don't worry, Max.
I have some food. Do you want it? Here you go, buddy.
You can eat this. Good boy. Yeah, Dan. You were very hungry. You look better now. There's no collar. Let's find your home. Someone must know you.
Excuse me, please. Yes, how can I help you?
I've never seen him.
Oh.
Ha! Thank you very much. Let's keep looking. Is anyone here? Please, someone help us. That's strange. You feel safe now. Let's visit my parents. Dad, I'm home.
Who's your little friend?
This is Max. I found him alone. A man's voice responds with grateful surprise. There are subtle sounds of dog fur. He's so adorable. Thanks, I know.
We love him so much already.
Nobody knows him, but he deserves a home.
Let's help him.
Here you go.
Thanks, Mom. He's feeling better. Let's call him Buddy.
Oh, I love that name. Good boy, Buddy.
Welcome to our family.